Once upon a time, in the magnificent kingdom of Srinagar, lived a young boy named Prince Arjun. But he wasn't like other princes. Arjun wasn't just kind, he was incredibly curious. He loved spending his days exploring every nook and cranny of the sprawling palace gardens. He'd chat with everyone, offering a helping hand to the gardeners, tending the roses, or sharing a cool drink with the palace guards standing under the hot sun. One bright morning, as Arjun was walking near the shimmering lotus pond, a tiny, soft voice called out, "Help me, please." Arjun stopped and looked all around. At first, he saw nothing. Then his eyes landed on a golden cage hanging from a mango tree. Inside, a beautiful bright green parrot with worried eyes was trapped. Arjun gently approached the cage. "Who put you in there?" he asked, his voice full of concern. The parrot hopped on its perch and replied, its voice surprisingly clear. The royal magician did. "He is keeping me here because I know the secret to the kingdom's greatest treasure." Without a moment's hesitation, Prince Arjun said kindly, "Don't you worry one bit. I'll get you out of there." He carefully unlatched the cage door and opened it wide. The parrot gratefully fluttered out, stretching its wings, and landed on Arjun's shoulder. "You have a truly kind heart, Prince Arjun," the parrot chirped. "For your goodness, I will share the secret with you. The greatest treasure of this kingdom isn't buried gold or sparkling jewels. It's found in the simple act of helping others." Arjun smiled, feeling a warmth spread through his chest that had nothing to do with the morning sun. He understood. Not long after, a terrible drought fell upon Srinagar. The rivers ran dry, the fields turned to dust, and the people began to worry. Remembering the parrot's words, Arjun knew what he had to do. He didn't waste time searching for a hidden chest of gold. Instead, he went to the royal treasury and used the kingdom's wealth to build deep wells for fresh water and dig canals to bring life back to the parched farmlands. Slowly but surely, the crops grew green and strong again. The people had food and water, and happiness returned to the kingdom. Everywhere Arjun went, people would cheer. "Prince Arjun has brought the true treasure to our land. His kindness has saved us." Just then, the green parrot flew down and landed on his shoulder once more. It looked at the happy faces and thriving fields, then said proudly, "See, young prince, you found the real treasure after all." And Arjun knew, deep in his heart, that the parrot was right. The greatest treasure of all is the kindness we share with one another. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming tales. See you next time.